Hi, this is Colin from Northwest Cadence. In this module, we're going to discuss Selenium tests. Selenium is a coded UI framework that allows you to automate UI testing against web applications. You'll see in this module how to configure the Pom file or the project file so that you can run Selenium tests as part of the release pipeline. Here I've opened up the Pom XML file, and you can see there are a couple of dependencies on org.selenium HQ plugins. These install extensions onto the project that allow Selenium tests to run. I also like to install the Maven Surefire plugin. You can see this down at the bottom of this Pom file. The Surefire plugin allows you to run the coded UI tests from within Eclipse. It's not necessary for running the tests during the pipeline. So let me run the tests. I'm going to right-click the Pom XML file and select Run As and Maven Test. This is going to run all the tests in the project. So it'll run the 3 unit tests as well as a couple of UI tests. Here you can see the UI tests opening the browser and running through the automation. We're not going to cover a lot of the code for these tests. The point is that there are some Selenium tests which run coded UI tests. Once you've pushed those code changes up to VSTS, you'll add them to the release pipeline. Here we can see our release where we do the Tomcat deployment and then we call a Maven task. You'll see under options that I'm just running the UI tests during the release pipeline. Of course, you could run any type of test you want to in the release, just typically releases would run coded UI tests. Let's switch over to a release that I've previously run. Here you can see the deployment was successful, but at the final step, the coded UI tests through Selenium have failed. If I click on this item, I'll be able to see the complete log. However, since we're running tests, we can also go over to the Tests tab and we'll get a summary showing us all the tests that have been run for this particular release. We can see that we have 3 tests that have run, 2 of the tests are passing, and we have a failure. If we click on the failure, we'll see an error message, stack trace, and any other information that VSTS collects while running the tests. It seems here that the title of the page was incorrect. To log a bug to fix this, we can simply click on the Create Bug button. And that'll launch a new work item form for us, where the repro steps are the details of the failed test.